Kenapa? The Koreans eat spicy food. Pedas. Aduh, why am I pokai? Hi boss.
Hai,
Tolong 15 daging boleh?
boleh?
Kasih. Bos, saya nak ini sikit sebelum masak boleh kan?
Belum masak, okey.
Tak mau timun?
Bawang mau?
No. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. I should have this lighting, but it's like blinking, giving me a headache. After work and after gym, I was planning to have some mix, but like me, Pokai, we always need to go for a cheaper option. This is something that I bought from Donkey something. It's really good. Goes well with all this everything. And this is a Korean lamb sauce. Adoy, why am I Pokai? I was trying to apply my visa renewal and the application and endorsement, the fees, mahal gila. Tak boleh makan apapun lagi lah. You know what I do? Whenever I go to a satay place, I try to phrase it like, "Bos, saya nak ini sikit sebelum masak. Boleh?" Then they will say like, "Kenapa?" "Sebab saya mau masak lagi. Nanti balik rumah lah." Then the uncle will be like, "Betul kan? Okay." I'll be like, "Good." Bring it back home. I'll put it in the air fryer. Cook it for just a few minutes. Pedas. Pedas. People will ask like, "Hey, do Koreans eat spicy food?" For me, not at all. I don't know about the others, but for me, and there's one more thing being a Korean in Malaysia. Wherever I go, I would love to try speaking Bahasa. So I'll just randomly say, "Hey, boleh masuk kan?" Then the uncle will be like, "Oi, dari mana?" "Dari Korea." "Oh, you boleh cakap bahasa?" "Sikit lah, bos." From then, they will just non-stop speaking Bahasa. I don't understand at all. I'll be just like, "Yeah. Iya ke? Oh, betul. Oh, bagus. Ya. Boleh. Hey, sudah lah. Hey, baik. I'll try to learn more faster and I'll try to communicate with you all. But as of now, my Bahasa is a bit less than 5%. Okay, sudah kenyang. Ini untuk besok. Siap.